Food. Not only the thing that sustains us, but sometimes it's a source of great joy. You must agree that munching on something tasty with your friends can be a lot of fun, or having culinary exploits with your loved ones. In any case, food brings people together, even when your food tries to crawl away. I wonder what's tastier, cockroaches or Zaphobus? Both of them look nasty, but that's a lot of proteins. Do you have the guts to try them out? The secret is to cook them properly. Let's see what we can do. First, give our little friends a good old soy sauce bath. Generously spice them up, pour in Dijon mustard, and mix everything together. And don't forget about the hot sauce. Now, melt isomalt in a pan with some warm water in it. Stir until it liquefies. Put the larvae in a lollipop mold. You can even arrange them in little ornaments. Add the sticks and pour in the tasty bit. And of course, decorate them a little. Lovely! Now, let them sit, and in a little while, you'll have lollipops with a little twist. And while they're solidifying, let's get back to our little friends here. The cockroaches were frozen before marinating, so we have no escapees. And now they are ready to be cooked. Arrange some fresh basil leaves on a plate and put a few drops of mustard in each of them. And now, as a cherry on top, rest the roaches on the mustard. The lollipops are done just in time. Can't wait to get my hand on them. But it's important to share such moments with your friends. I wonder what they'll say. Will they like it? Or maybe not so much. I think we have a success here. We can continue arguing about our food preferences, or we can go a step further and cook something even more extravagant. We'll need cured fish with its intestines. Pepper the hard roe and blend the soft roe. We won't need the fish itself. This smells real fishy. Time to cook the roe. You'll need a generous amount of hot vegetable oil. Cover the roe in flour before deep frying it. Make sure that the oil is burning hot. In the meantime, blend milt with butter. It's much more fun to cook with someone else. While one of you is busy cooking, the other one is finished. We can have a little snack. Let's get the sauce going. Melt the butter and add 1 egg yolk. Add some lemon juice to the sauce. Oh, the milt has already become a great filling for profiteroles. This is cooking in full swing. And fill the pastry with these savory vibes. Yeah, you'll need some guts and nerves of steel to savor these. On the other hand, it's just seafood pastry. The aroma. Don't just stand there. Drag your friends in. We need an unbiased opinion. Treat yourselves. So, what do you think of these? You like them, don't you? Hey, hold on! Not so fast! Leave some for others to try. Whoa, who ordered takeaway milt profiteroles? This is a successful experiment so far. Should we go even further? Team, are you ready? Let's begin with something easy. Cut the loaf. You'll need it for later. Fry the toasts on a dry pan to get a beautiful golden crust. In the meantime, put the lungs in boiling water, add salt and some herbs. Then cut the onions. Now, the brain of a calf needs some salting as well. It's funny to think what human beings can come up with in the pursuit of culinary delicacies. For some people, a simple burger or a salad is never enough. They crave insects, larvae, and brains. Evolution. What can you say? Decades of fast food made us tolerable to all sorts of cooking experiments. Not that you ever see us complaining. Okay, cover the brain with onion. Then cover it with flour and put it on a frying pan. You want a nice golden crust on both sides. The brain should be as tender as it looks. Cut the delicacies into pieces and prepare them for the feast. Dress the lung salad with green sauce and spices. Serve the brain on bread toasts with scallions and ketchup. A friend in need is a friend indeed. It would be cruel not to share these treats with someone dear to your heart. The lungs are a bit chewy, but they have a rich flavor. But the brains are as tender gets. Can't wait to see my friends' faces when I tell them about the things I ate today. Trying something radically new doesn't always require you to go to some distant, exotic place. Oh, it looks like someone had enough of these experiments for today. But we were just warming up. A few more, perhaps? No? Well, if your body says no, then it means no. What you need is some rest. Let me handle the rest. I don't want to leave you empty-handed. How about some buckwheat? They say it's really good for you. And in the meantime, chili won't cut by itself, and parsley. These are some vibrant colors. You'll never guess what the next step is. It's time for some ice cream. One half is chocolate, the other is vanilla. Now gently mix everything in. It's okay if only one of you gets to eat it, as long as the other one gets something too. Both of you deserve a little treat. You did good today. Pour milk to the buckwheat, stir, and add honey. Let it simmer for a while. Looks like it's done. Grab a plate. And don't forget about the ice cream. Get yourself one of each. This almost looks like buckwheat. You have brown colors, white colors. Nice! You have a sore throat, so no ice cream for you, for now, at least. But sometimes, buckwheat with warm milk and honey can work miracles. You have amino acids, vitamins, and all things that is good for you here. You'll be on your feet in no time. Now, let's enjoy this moment together. This is nice.